Hey guys, welcome to Hooks Hot Rods. Al here. Just getting some stuff blocked out. I've got a bunch of parts blocked out in blocked in 180 and reprimed and got some guide coat on it. And I'm going 320 now. Hoping to get some color on these parts sometime tomorrow. Before I get too far into this video, please subscribe if you haven't already. If you're watching this on Facebook, please find me on YouTube and subscribe to the channel for updates. So what I'm doing is I just make mostly my own blocks for the small stuff. Just a piece of rubber. I have flexible ones. Bigger, smaller, whatever the size I need. I just make up a block to use for it. I never use my fingers much at all, except for in like little corners and stuff. Because if you sand with just your hand and not a block, you'll actually leave little grooves in the high build primer. Okay, I'll keep going and show you more as I go. So I didn't get as far as I wanted to this weekend. I did get most of it blocked out with the 320. But there's a few spots where I broke through the primer. I'm going to reprime and then block it again with 400. And then I can shoot some paint onto it. So hopefully one night this week I can finish the windshield frame. It's not done with 320 yet, and the one headlight mount. Get those done with 320, get it all primed, and then start sanding it with the 400. And hopefully I can get some paint on it. Okay, I'll get up another video as soon as I get the yellow on this, because I'm dying to see, you know, some of the parts with color on it. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and leave a comment.